If you want to enable dynamic lock screen on a Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all, we need to open Settings. Once you open Settings, then over here we should be able to scroll down a little bit and go to Wallpaper. And over here in Wallpaper and Style, we should be able to go to Change Wallpapers, and then scroll down in here, and you can find Wallpaper Services with the dynamic lock screen option. So we're gonna go over here, and then you should be able to choose up to 5 categories that should be used in order to use lock screen wallpapers. So let's say I'm gonna go for food, and there is also the confirmation if you want to use Wi-Fi only in order to download wallpapers. I'm gonna also choose animals and maybe life. Let's use 3 categories as an example. At the bottom we also have some additional settings, so be sure to check that out. And that's pretty much it. Now you should be able to go to the lock screen, and you should have a different wallpaper every time you open the lock screen. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.